Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I'll be showing you how you can earn USDT to your Trustwallet account or Binance or any other wallet in which you make use of. So guys, to know more about this, follow this video till the end and I'm going to be showing you step by step on how to do this. And please, if you are new to this channel or you've not subscribed, please make sure to like this video, subscribe, notification bell, so whenever I upload a nice video like this, you're going to be among the first to be notified on it. So the link to this video will be left in the description box below, and when you tap on it, it will be bringing you over to this session. All you need to do is to input your email, your login password, security code. The invitation code will be appearing automatically here. Then you tap on sign up, and after you signed up, all you need to do next is to sign in with your email and your password. So when you've logged into your account, you're going to be seeing this. As you can see over here, these are the information about this. Register and get 0.5 USDT for free, and after upgrading you can get 0.5 USDT directly. Now you can also join their Telegram channel, and the minimum deposit on this platform is 9 USDT. Now for VIP1, when you deposit 9 USDT, you are going to be getting 3.3 USDT every single day, and in 3 days your capital is out and you can earn the profits. So guys, after completing the VIP1 tax, you can upgrade to VIP2, receive the tax income on the same day, and have unlimited withdrawal. So guys, for the VIP1, 9 USDT to get 3.3 daily and 99 USDT every month. VIP2, 80 USDT to get 28 every single day, and so on and so forth. And for the referral level, when you refer, you're going to be getting referral commission, and when your referrals deposits get to 1000 USDT. So after you've known all of this, to recharge, all you need to do to recharge is to tap on the recharge button over here. When you tap on the recharge, it's going to be taking you over to where you make your deposit. So to make your deposit, all you need to do is to tap on copy address, and the address will be copied. Then you send the amount of USDT which you want to deposit and tap on recharge completed. Now after that is done, it's going to be showing on your dashboard and you'll be upgraded immediately. As you can see, this is my deposit of 9 USDT which has appeared there automatically. So after your deposit, you go to the tax to complete your tax for the day, and for every day you have 5 taxes to complete. So to complete your tax, all you need to do is tap to finish, and it's going to be done immediately. So after completing your tax for the day, you go to mine, which is over here, and as you can see, 3.3 USDT. So after doing this, you are going to replace your withdrawal, but before that, to refer, you tap on the team which is over here. Then you copy your referral link and share to your friends and loved ones, so they too can also earn from this. Copy and share to your friends and loved ones. So you go to mine and tap on the withdrawal, which is over here. As you can see over here, you tap on the withdrawal, and when you tap on withdrawal, you see you can withdraw your USDT. All you need to do is to input the amount in which you want to withdraw, your USDT 20 address and your secure password. Then you tap on confirm, and I'm going to be doing that right now. So as you can see, withdrawal success. So after that is done, then you're going to be checking if our withdrawal has arrived, and I'm going to be showing you that right away. So guys, as you can see over here, my withdrawal of 3.3 USDT has arrived in my wallet. So guys, this is how you can earn from this platform with a minimum of 9 USDT. So if you know you enjoyed this video and what we'll be doing on this channel, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe, click on the notification bell, so whenever we upload nice content like this, you'll be the first to be notified on it. Thanks for watching, and see you on my next video.